So there's a few ways to trace this. I've got my lines printed out and I want to transfer them onto my paper or my canvas. And one way is by using carbon paper. Love this stuff. So you take this, you put your canvas first. You put the carbon paper black side down to your page so that everything you're pressing will push this black down to the page. Now, I like to use a little bit of painter's tape to keep it from wiggling. It's not fun when you have 2 and 3 versions of your lines. Put your lines on top, and I leave a little space so that the tape can make contact with all 3 pages. And it should just take one, that's fine. And now with my pencil, everything I press will be pushing that black line down. And if I leave this, I can always lift it and check, woohoo, make sure it's working, and then put it back down and it's exactly in the same spot. So you can continue adding your lines through. Now if the page happens to be a little bigger, all you have to do is with the pencil later, continue the line. So this is a pretty easy one to continue because you see the pattern that's already there. All right, so keep tracing that way. But let me show you one other way if you don't have carbon paper. So this version requires only a paper with the lines, your canvas, and a pencil. And the first thing we need to do is transfer these lines to the other side. If you hold it up to the light, you'll be able to see it nicely, or hold it up to a window, you'll be able to see it really nicely. Now I can see it really well. Make sure you use a lot of pencil on this side. So now I have the lines I printed out, and right on the back I have traced the lines again. So all the pencil here, if I flip all that pencil side down, should transfer nicely when I trace over it. So once again, I will want to tape it so it doesn't wiggle. And then with a nice sharp pencil, I'm just going over the lines, and the pressure should push them down. So let's see, we'll leave this on. Flip this up, moment of truth, yay! You can see it right there. Don't forget to go back and extend these lines out as far as you need to fill the page. You can also see this pattern of columns, 1 block, 2 blocks. If you need to add another one, go for it. Just depends on how much space you have, so this can just keep growing to the side. You can always have more clouds down here and more sky up here. So the size, even if your printout is a little smaller, shouldn't matter at all.